Wondering about the fees Fiverr charges and how they're paid? In this video, I'll clarify how Fiverr's processing fees work and what you need to do. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Fiverr's fee structure is straightforward, and the payment is automatic, so you don't need to manually pay anything. As a seller, Fiverr charges a 20% service fee on every order you complete. This includes the gig price and any extras the buyer purchases. This fee is automatically deducted from your earnings before they even reach your balance. When a buyer pays $100 for your gig, $20 goes to Fiverr, and $80 goes to your pending clearance. There is no action required from you to pay this fee. It is seamlessly integrated into the payment processing system. You see the net amount after the fee in your earnings dashboard. A crucial pro tip: always factor this 20% into your pricing from the start. If you want to net $80 for a service, price your gig at $100. This ensures you're earning your desired rate after Fiverr's commission. And just like that, you understand the cost of doing business on a global platform. The Fiverr processing fee is automatic and gives you access to a massive customer base. Have you adjusted your pricing to account for the 20% fee? Share your strategy in the comments. For a direct bank connection, watch our next video on how to link your bank account to Fiverr. Thanks for watching.